Have you ever come across a YouTube channel that keeps spamming your comments, harassing you, or just posting content you never want to see again? Well, you're not alone. I have been in that shoe. I have seen that frustration. The good news is that you can block any YouTube channel in just a few clicks. But here is the thing. Blocking a channel doesn't just stop them from commenting on your videos, it also hides their channel from your recommendation page and ensures that they can't interact with you at all. So if you are a creator, this can help you keep your community positive, safe and free from trolls. That is why in today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to block a YouTube channel. I mean step-by-step guide. Whether you want to stop annoying comments, remove unwanted content from your home feed, or even prevent someone from messaging you on YouTube. But before we dive into the screen record, there is one important setting you might be overlooking that could make blocking even more effective. So that is why you need to stick around to the very end of this video, because I'm going to show you on a screen record how to fully take control of what you see on your YouTube channel. So if this is a new video you want to see today, kindly hit that subscribe and like button, then hit your notification bell so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll get notification. Without any further ado, let's dive into the main video. Okay guys, so whenever you want to block a content or you want to block a channel from your YouTube, all you have to do is just quick and easy. So what you have to do is just to click on your YouTube app, and once it opens, let's just say this video is the video that you don't want this video to be showing on your channel, and you don't want YouTube to be recommending videos from this channel to your own YouTube. And again, you want to block everything that concerns about this channel. So it is very easy and simple for you to do. Now, I'm going to teach you three things on this video now. The first one is I'm going to teach you how you are going to block their content from showing up to your channel. Maybe their content is irrelevant or adult content or something you don't like, or their content is not giving. The second one is I'm going to teach you how to tell YouTube not to recommend videos from this channel. That is the second one. Then the third one is how you are going to block everything about the channel, both the video, both the recommendation, both the comments, both the future and old comment they have commented on your videos. So it is very quick, simple. Now the first one is to block this video from what being is to block this particular video because I don't like it, or maybe you don't like it. So just click on this three dot. Once you click on this three dot, it will bring you these several options. This option you are going to choose based on what you want to do on this person's video is that you are not interested in that person's video, so all you have to click is not interested. Okay, and what if eventually you made a mistake? You just click on undo and the video will be undo. Now another one, let me use this channel as another, the second example. The second one is just to block this entire channel for YouTube to stop recommending this channel to your home page. All you have to do is also to click on this three dots. Once it opens, click on don't recommend channel, and YouTube will eventually not recommend videos from this channel to you again. Okay, so now let's take for instance you made a mistake and you want to undo it. So what you have to do is just to click on this undo and it will be undo. You will start getting video recommendations from this channel. Okay, now the third one is you want to block everything entirely on this channel. So all you have to do is to click on their channel. Once you click on their channel, sorry guys, once you click on their channel, now let's say this particular channel I'm using for this tutorial is one of my YouTuber that I watch her video. I so much love her video, but I'm using it for the case of this tutorial. So if you want to block their entire channels, if you want to block both their comments, everything about this entire channel, so that YouTube will not mistakenly in any way show it up to your YouTube page, to your home page, all you have to do is to click this three dots. You see this three dot, this three dots supersede every settings you want to do on this particular one, YouTube. So click on the three dots. Once you click on the three dots, then you click hide user from my channel. And once you click hide user, YouTube will hide this particular channel from your channel, from your YouTube what homepage. Once you look at what is on the screen, you see where they said hide existing and future comment from this user on my channel. So once you click on hide user, YouTube will automatically hide this user from showing up on your channel, from them commenting, even though they comment to your videos at any time, or mistakenly they comment, or mistakenly the system started having issue, they commented on one of your video they have watched before, and once they comment on the comment will not be public and people are not going to see it. So this is how you are going to set up this thing whenever you want to, you feel like you don't like content that is coming from this particular channel, this particular YouTuber channel. So, and bring in the ones that you feel like you want to do what you want to watch. So this is how you are going to do it, because most of you don't know how to block channels. YouTube will start recommending them video from a particular channel and they might not like the video that is coming from that channel. So this is how you are going to block the video, block the channel. Okay, so thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.